Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Traveller in the Allure specification. So this car has a lovely panoramic glass roof, electric sliding side doors, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's leather interior, both the front seats are heated and have massage function. Touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with speed limiter. You also get blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 9,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.